Oh, what is that? There's smoke coming from the bottom. Just pouring out. It might just be something to do with the cold.
Then we wouldn't get my butt is very chewy song. Just me, not her. It's a little.
It's Christ.
I like that.
Why does this smell so explodey?
You got your box of leaves? More of it. Oh my god. Perfect. This idiot. Wow. It's been snowing like this for 3 days. The front door I've had to like dig out, but that's how high the snow is. Probably about a foot above the door, which is a foot off the ground. Sure is pretty. Yeah, the snow here is past my knee. Thanks. So it stopped snowing today. It was snowing for like 3 days in a row, like all day. We got about 2.5 to 3 feet total. My car's still stuck. The roadside assistance guy came yesterday and tried to winch me out, and didn't work. He said either call back and see if they have someone with a bigger truck, because his line snapped, or wait until the snow thaws. So luckily my office has been, I work in town, so luckily my office has been closed because no one has power. There hasn't been power all week, so I haven't had to go anywhere. So yeah, I think I feel rain, water dropping on me. So I think everything's starting to thaw. And I can see the sun coming up over the mountain. So hopefully by Monday I'll be able to get out. It's Thursday, and so tomorrow's a holiday, so I don't have, for New Year's, so I wouldn't have to work anyways. My third winter up here, and this is by far the most snow we've ever gotten, but I've been really happy with how the yurt's held up. All the snow just kind of collects and shoots right off of the roof every night. Yeah, and the fire's been keeping us warm, so you can't complain about that. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.